Welcome, as you join us today on African Native Tales by Ichien Duka. Today let us look at the traditional ways in which the Igbo people resolve conflicts. The Igbo people live a communal life, where they are interdependent on one another and hence solve their problems collectively. Conflicts within people of the same kindred are resolved by the kinsmen, the umene, not with force, but through wisdom and respect. The conflict resolution is often carried out in the kinsman's obi, the sacred central building, where the kinsmen meet, also where spiritual activities and reverence for the ancestors take place. The first step is the consecration of the kola nut by the eldest man, who invites the ancestors to join the meeting and bless them with wisdom to find a lasting peace in the issue at hand. It's then broken and shared among all present. The conflicting parties are made to swear an oath before the deity revered by the umene, vowing to speak the truth with no lies. Each side is heard, questions are asked by the kinsmen present for more clarity. Faults are apportioned to those who are at fault, and a decision is arrived at by the elders, which must ensure that justice is served and peace is restored to the community.